Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a beautiful cinematograph using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. So now first we will open a file in Adobe Photoshop. I'm using this image of Kolachi. It's one of the restaurants in Karachi, one of the really famous ones. I went there yesterday and took a picture of it. So now what we'll do is we'll copy the background by using Command plus J and hide the background layer. Now double click on the layer and choose gray to remove black, and now slide the bar slightly to your right and you will see the background is disappearing. But wait, it also removes some of the floor, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted. Now click OK, and now what we will do is we will drag the image of a beautiful time-lapse and take it to Adobe Photoshop. It's gonna take some time, and then yes, okay. And now since it's already selected, now what we'll do is we will adjust the layer as per the need, and once it's done we'll hit OK. Okay, and now we'll bring this sky layer below the layer 1. So you can see the sky is there, but there is just too much going on in our first image. So now we will copy the background image again and bring it on top of the sky layer, and hold Alt and click on the layer mask. And now we'll select the brush tool and try to paint it over the areas which are faded. But wait, it's not working because the layer is hidden. So now we'll click on the layer again, and the moment we start brushing, you will see all that disappeared is coming back. So I'm just fast forwarding this. And I think we are almost done here. And let me just check in. Perfect. So now what we'll do is we'll click on the window tab right on the top, as you can see. No, but before we do that, let's just do some color grading. So now we'll click on hue and saturation. We'll pick the blend mode to color burn and increase the saturation to 100%. Okay, and instead of opacity, we'll decrease the fill up to around 8%, let's say, or yeah, I think 8 is fine. And now we'll copy the same layer again by pressing Command plus J. Hue saturation is 100%, and now the blend mode, it's going to be color dot, excuse me, and we'll keep the fill as it is. And now you can see our sky matches with a restaurant. Okay, perfect. So now we'll go to Windows and click on the timeline. It will, okay, and now click on Create Video Timeline. If you notice, our video saying video time that it's about 4 seconds, so we need to adjust our other layers with our video. So I think I'm just checking all the layers one by one, and I think I'm almost done now. I think let's just get to it. Get it in our first layer, it's almost done, and yeah, I think we're done. So it's very easy, you know, to create some amazing effects with your photos, removing the background, giving some extra feel to your images. And now we are going to save the file. So now to save the file, go to File, Export, and render video. So guys, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate if you can like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and you can check my previous videos. Thank you guys for watching.